What's up, everyone? So as you can see by the title of this video, today I'm picking up my new car. I'm not going to tell you quite what it is yet. I've given a few hints in past videos, but right now I'm just at Chan's house waiting for him to get here because I'm going to grab 2 wheels from him because I need 2 wheels to throw on the car. I have 2 of my SSRs, but I only brought the fronts because my rears are going to be too wide to get the car on the trailer that we're picking up as well. There's Chan also. Yo, 6 skids.
Yo, sick, dude.
Nice. All right, so I got Calvin's battles from Chan. Luckily, we're trailering the car, so it doesn't actually have to roll on these because these tires are shredded. Because Chan, you used these as drift spares, didn't you? Or no, Dante did. Yeah. So we're gonna go pick up the trailer and then make our way to meet up with Ryan, who is giving me the car. And then I'm also gonna be introducing his new project and everything, and a bunch of videos that we're gonna be doing kind of in collaboration together with his crazy build that he's doing. I'm building this car that you'll see, but he's going on a whole nother level with his project, his like full legit race car.
Well, we're sitting here waiting for the old Brent.
No, you have to make it on your face.
The old U-Haul, waiting for a trailer.
Hey.
Yeah. Hurry up, Brent.
Brent.
Old bag. Okay, they're on.
All right, one doesn't work, but that's fine. Press them. Okay, they work. We're good. All right, so we just picked up the U-Haul trailer right here, rigged up. So I guess one of the fucking running lights doesn't work.
No, it's because I was playing you, fam. I was like, yeah, the brakes are on. I was impressed her.
Okay, let's do this.
Great combo.
Here now. I think my wheel's gonna fall out when I open this. Is it gonna fall out? Nope, it didn't fall out. So I gotta basically jack the car up.
What are we doing?
We're picking up the car.
Yo, here it is, boys.
Yo.
Here's my new headlights.
What year is it?
Can't see.
It's a 1990 something probably.
93, I think.
93 240 SX coupe. Bricks. Glass bricks.
Swag.
Rocket Bunny V2. Got a fucking V8 motor in it. Psych.
I can't see. How do I turn this thing up?
Shit.
Help.
It's too dark.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, was it bright the whole dark the whole time?
No, it was kind of bright.
Okay.
But now we're good. Now
Well,
it's better. But
we're gonna be putting an engine in here one day, but for now it doesn't have an engine. That's all right. And but yeah, that's why we got to trailer it.
okay.
So yeah, we're gonna roll it out of here in a second, and then I'll get like a one or two shots before we get on the trailer.
Yeah. Get a little edit.
Yeah, and then we'll show some of Ryan's car also in the back. His FRS. It's fucking sick. If you guys have ever seen the Night Runner videos, Reggie, that's the car that's back there. Yeah.
Doing all the work.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you're dark. Oh, we're going. Hold on. I don't know what I'm doing, but we're taking off the wheel.
this one will be negative, this will be positive. So it's just a quick disconnect. You don't got to undo your starter wire and all that crap.
Oh, sick.
Just pull on it. It's bulkhead. Oh, and this is the other end for rad fans. You can get those in no time.
Sick.
Everything's quick disconnect in this car, so you can change motor fast.
It's actually gnarly.
That's just cheap as hell. It's a welding fixture. That's what it's meant for. But I mean, it's a pain in the ass trying to get it restarted when you're trying to pull the motor through a race or whatever it is.
Yeah.
All I do is actually stamp the die.
Yeah.
It took them probably like half an hour worth of work.
Yeah.
Hey. Hey, look at me real quick.
Look back at me, baby.
Look back at it. Yo, what are you doing?
Just taking the quick release off here so I can get my wheel.
I can't tell if this can hear you or not.
can probably. Oh my god.
Sorry. What are you doing?
Chan cam to the max. I'm gonna throw my steering wheel on so we can turn this thing.
Okay.
Because we're gonna need to turn it a few times to get into my parking spot behind the house.
Cool.
Is it snowy there? Or you shovel it out?
Yeah, I shoveled a huge spot out. Yeah.
Canada, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, I shoveled like fucking a foot and a half of snow out of the way.
Yeah. Here's the key.
Is that OEM Nissan key?
I don't even know. Probably.
No.
No.
It's fucking cold, bud.
No.
Like minus 50. Oh, clean that windshield. Yo, you should get a job at Co-op gas station.
I know I'm good at this. Woo!
Oh shit. Clean, clean. Alright, we got Bant. Moving the trailer. Cool baby. Got some big humans.
Turn her over.
Yo, make sure you rip e-brake.
Right?
You're good. Get some momentum.
Yeah. Is that good, left Chen?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, go.
And
All right. Keep coming a little more. A little more.
go back behind it.
And you're good.
No, we gotta go all the way to the front.
Oh, you gotta go all the way to the front.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, keep going. All right, you're good.
Perfect. No, that was easy as shit.
It looks beautiful.
Sweet.
Brent's hard at work. See the future here, man. Wow. Whoa.
Technology, babe.
Gang.
Now it's working.
There you go. When you throw all the rock bunny stuff in the back.
Yeah.
That's gonna be amazing.
All right, guys. So we got the car all loaded up. Is on the Poo 40. Bam. All right, guys. So I'm gonna formally introduce you all to Ryan. This is Ryan Push. He's the guy who's the dude. Who's giving me this car. We're kind of doing this really cool collab where he's building this FRS right here that I kind of explained earlier is the infamous Night Runner car actually.
Yep.
And Ryan's doing a super cool hill climb build where he's going to be basically building this turbo LS system to go and do the Knox Mountain hill climb in Kelowna. And I'm going to be documenting the entire build process. It's everything from like turbo LS, LS Geiken parts, like dog box.
Dog box, Haltech Elite, full radium fuel setup.
It's the real deal.
Yeah.
So not only will there be a build series of the Legacy, getting it back into better condition, there will be a build series of this car, and then I'm going to be promoting a lot of Ryan's videos on my channel, but I'm going to be sending you guys to the main content on his channel, which he'll be starting up as soon as we have all the content kind of like built up for that.
Yeah,
and,
there'll be a lot of stuff coming out. There's a lot of random pitfalls when it comes to swapping stuff like this, so we'll try to cover all the hard parts.
Exactly. So a lot of this is going to be like building like super legit race car stuff, and a lot of you guys like
proper. Yeah, not half-assing anything, that's for sure.
Yeah. So we're gonna jump on the road. Hopefully the 240 doesn't fall off the trailer on the way back.
Yeah.
And fucking thank you, sir.
Yeah, no problem.
I'm glad that worked out.
Yeah,
and
no, good.
we're gonna put out some serious content for you guys. I know y'all been hassling me about not putting out a ton of content, and I kind of teased about this car a while back. And then some people caught on and some people didn't, but it's going to be
a fun year.
It's going to be a fun year. And then when both cars are done, we're going to do a tandem project of a crazy video.
Maybe or something. We'll get some tires to burn. We'll do something.
Oh yeah. And Chan and I are going to slam into each other's doors and shit all summer. Going to do DUI and all that stuff. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we're good enough for that. Please, Sean, let us in. Okay, we're going to get going, Chan. I know you want to go.
Just turn on the car, it's cold.
Okay. All right, guys, so we made it back to the house. We're in the alley now, and we're just gonna roll the car off the trailer and into my spot that I cleared out earlier. I'm so excited right now. This is freaking sweet.
The dankiest part.
NASCAR, dude.
Can you fit your body in there?
Race car.
All right, ready?
Nope.
Oh. All right, ready?
Nope. Okay.
Okay. All me.
Yeah.
All me.
get
Just
over
wait,
that
just wait. I'm gonna get it.
Sure?
I'm gonna get it.
I'm gonna get it.
Woo! Oh my Jesus.
Woo!
All right. No, keep saying it. We'll push him in there.
Well, no, I can start from out here.
Oh, okay. Well, ready? Use that bad angle. Can you turn on your headlights? Oh yeah, there's no battery. Never mind. Back?
Yeah, just a bit.
This is gonna be sick edition. Nice.
Here we go.
Are you gonna do a little edit in the morning?
That's fine.
You're gonna do a dope.
I think it's straight. Here, what? Here, you want a double? Right? 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
There you go.
Get cold. All right, guys. Thanks for the help, everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Only help.
We'll reconvene in the morning, and I'll make a little edit and talk about some of the parts on the car and everything, because it's way too dark now. So skip to. All right, guys. So it is the next day. We're in the backyard. We got the 240 back here, so you can really take a look at it and see kind of what it looks like now. Few things to note are, this is not the final ride height. This car was fully built for race car stuff, and it has nothing in it right now. It doesn't have an engine or anything, so it's sitting pretty darn high. It's not going to be like that by the end. When I'm done with it and everything, we got some gap to close out here. And of course, there's the Rocket Bunny kit that will be going on. So these are all ready to be all mounted up and everything. I am going to be running my SSR Vienna Craze on the car this summer. These are the rear faces, but only with a 5.5-inch lip, and there is a 1-inch spacer on the car right now. So what I'm going to be doing is taking the spacer off and then running my 7.5-inch lips that were on the Legacy last summer. And those should fit perfectly, because right now, with 5.5-inch lips and a 1-inch spacer, we still have the wheels sunk into these fenders. So, if my math is correct, these faces, no spacer, 7.5-inch lips, will be absolutely perfect fitment. And then what I'll be doing is I'll be running these 5.5-inch lips on the front wheels that have a little bit more of a positive offset. They just poke out a bit more to be able to clear big brakes, which I will be running the Z32 brakes on the front. And those should fit perfectly with the front Rocket Bunny, because as you can see, there's about a 10 mil spacer on here, and these MB Battles are 18 by 9.5 plus 22, so it makes them about plus 10 plus 12, and we are let's see, and we are very, very sunk in. The front wheel specs should be about 18 by 11, 18 by 11 0. We'll see. And if it comes out to a little bit too big, I can always just change my front lips from 5.5-inch lips to 4.5-inch lips, or even 4-inch lips to make the wheels 9.5s or 10s. There's always options. Yeah. So I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna throw the kit on. I'm gonna throw the Rocket Bunny front bumper on also, and then I'll do a little bit of a montage for you guys so you can see kind of what the car looks like. Bear in mind, it's gonna have some wheel gap and stuff like that, but you'll get an idea of what the car's styling is gonna look like. And yeah, I'm excited. Check it out. Check it out. So that's going to be the end of this video. It's already been pretty long. I'm pretty sure this video is going to be very long at this point. And yeah, so the next video is going to be the official first episode of this build series. I don't know if I'm going to call it a build series or a drift build or whatever, but it'll be the adventure of building this car. The first episode, I'm going to go more in specific about what parts are on the car right now, and then we'll go into creating a list of the parts that I need to go in the direction that I want to take this car. And then from there, it'll be going and just tidying things up. Right now, because there's no engine in the car or anything, I can do a lot of stuff like paint the bay and do things to kind of dress it up a little bit, get it ready for when I go to toss an engine in. There's a lot of things that I'm gonna have to learn because of just ways that Ryan set it up to simplify things, but I also need to kind of learn a lot about wiring and learn about that stuff because I mean I'm throwing an engine in this thing, I'm building it myself, so yeah, it's gonna be really cool. I'm excited to show you guys where this is gonna go, and I'm excited to be able to create like a ton of content. Right now I just taped the over fenders on because I need to go get new hardware for them and everything, but yeah, I should be able to drop this thing down a good few inches and it'll look pretty darn good. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you're as excited as I am about all the videos and everything to come with this car. See you in the next video. Pizza!